Hey everybody, and welcome to another prop tutorial video. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Ahsoka Tano's lightsabers from the Clone Wars. We're going to start off by printing all the parts for the lightsabers. I'm going to link the files down in the description. These are all the parts you're going to need to make the bigger lightsaber. You can pause the video here to get a better look at all the parts if you need to. The next step is sanding down all the parts so they fit together properly. The bottom of this piece was really tight, so I just cut it off. Once you've checked that all your pieces can fit together properly, you can glue them together. Super glue works well for this. Make sure to only glue parts together that are the same color. I find it much easier to paint different color pieces separately and glue them together afterwards. You can mark the inner piece of the lightsaber with a pencil as a guide for where to smooth it out at. To keep my hands protected, I use these reusable heavy-duty gloves. Now we're going to spread Bondo, glazing, and spot putty on the parts that we want to be smooth. We're using this to fill in all the print lines that are showing. Once it dries, we'll be able to sand it into a smooth surface. Go ahead and do this to all of the parts. Once it dries, go ahead and sand it until it's completely smooth. There may be some areas that you can't get smooth, just reapply some Bondo there and sand it down once it dries. I painted all the parts that needed to be black with acrylic paint. I taped the tiny little button onto the end of a pencil and painted it with red acrylic paint. I sprayed a couple coats of silver spray paint on all the other parts. This is what all my parts looked like when I was finished painting them. Finally, we can super glue all of the parts together. Try to line up the inner piece before sliding it in, because if you put it in and then line it up, it might scratch some of the black paint off. And finally, here's the finished prop. I think it turned out pretty well. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Please let me know if you would like to see me make a tutorial on any other prop. I'll see you all later.